Hello everyone, let's see how to calculate cost of goods sold in Excel. So here you can see data, product list, opening stock, the net purchase, direct expense, closing stock, and here I'm going to calculate cost of goods sold. So what is the cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold is the total direct cost of producing or purchasing the goods that a business sells during a specific accounting period. Okay, and here indirect expense include this all in expense does not include this operating expense. Okay, so here to calculate the cost of goods sold, select the sale is equal to, select first opening stock, then plus net purchase plus direct expense and minus closing stock and press the enter, and you can see the cost of goods sold is calculated. And select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill data in below cell, and you can see the all product cost of goods sold here calculated. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.